Let the function f from R to R be defined by f of x is equal to 2x plus sin x. Then f is the 1 to 1 or on to or both. Since given f of x is equal to 2x plus sin x for all x belongs to R, and we know that any function f from a to b is said to be 1 to 1 if and only if either f is strictly increasing or strictly decreasing. So this is one of the definition to prove 1 case, strictly increasing or strictly decreasing. That is f dash x is greater than 0 or f dash x is less than 0 for all x belongs to the domain of the function a, that is a. Okay, now in this problem, if I can consider f dash x, which is equal to 2 plus d by dx of sin x, derivative of sin x is cos x, and since we know that cos x lies between minus 1 to 1 and it is plus 2, cos x is always greater than 0, so it is cos x between minus 1 and plus 1. If I can add 2 plus cos x minus 1 plus 2, that is 1 less than 2 plus cos x less than 3, so which implies we can say that it is greater than 0, that is f dash x is positive. If f dash x is positive, so we can say f is strictly increasing. Strictly increasing. If f is strictly increasing, and hence we can say, so which implies that f is 1 to 1 function. Okay, and also since f of x is equal to 2x plus sin x for all x belongs to R, sin x lies between minus 1 to plus 1. Okay, and here also cos x lies, which can be equal also. So minus 1 less than or equals to sin x less than or equals to 1. As x tends to infinity, so 2x also tends to infinity, and 2x plus sin x, it's positive, very big positive number, and it's a sin x is a very small number such that it is between minus 1 to 1, and if I can add with a very big number, it is also approaching towards infinity only. So that is f of x is approaching towards the positive infinity. As x tends to infinity, f of x tends to positive infinity, and similarly as x tends to minus infinity, so which implies 2 times of very big number is approaching to minus infinity, and it's a very big negative number, and it's added with a number which lies between minus 1 and 1, so which also brings a negative infinity number, very big number, that is 2x plus sin x is also approaching towards the minus infinity. That is f of x is approaching towards the minus infinity. That is for x tends to minus infinity, f of x tends to minus infinity, and hence we can say the range of the function, therefore range of the given function f of x is minus infinity to plus infinity, that is real numbers, so which is equal to codomain, which is codomain of given function f. Since range is equal to codomain, therefore what is that we can say f of x or f is a 1 to 1 function. We can say f is onto. F is onto. So we can conclude that f is a 1 1 function and f is also onto function. So it is both 1 1 and on 2. So we can go with option 1. Okay.